Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to hide thumbnails on Reddit. Maybe you want a more text-based and minimalist browsing experience or just want to reduce data usage. So today I'm going to show you how to hide thumbnails on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, you will now see this Thumbnails option. Simply tap on it. A menu will appear below where you will see three options: Always Show, Never Show, and Community Default. Since you wanted to hide thumbnails, simply tap on this Never Show option. After that, you now have successfully hidden thumbnails on Reddit. Now, when you browse through posts, you won't see image previews anymore. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide thumbnails on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to hide thumbnails on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.